Hey, if you're still struggling to make money online, then this will be the most important message you'll ever listen to. It's no secret that COVID-19 and recession has broken our economy. People losing their jobs, businesses shutting down, and uncertainty everywhere. Every mom, dad, grandparent, student is trying to find a way to save money. They need money on groceries, utilities, bills, and everything else. Without it, they can't survive. What if you can help these people and make a lot of money in the process? What if you can give them what they want and need? Coupons and deals. By running your own coupon sites, you can do just that. You see, coupons is the gold rush in online shopping, and it's only going to get bigger in the next few years. In fact, coupons and deals are one of the fastest growing trends in e-commerce right now, with over $300 billion in annual sales. Have a look at some of the results our users are getting with their own coupon sites. However, building and running your own coupon site can be very time-consuming, expensive, and complicated. And if you don't know how to overcome them, you will fail miserably. You'll lose your time, energy, money, and mind. Just creating and setting up a coupon site can take weeks or even months of your time. And then you need to find and manually update it with the latest coupons and deals every day, which can take hours or even more time out of your day. And if you're not careful, you can easily spend $5,000 to $10,000 on hosting, products, and support. Then you need traffic, which can be very hard to get if you don't know what you're doing. And the biggest problem of all, if your coupons are old, outdated, and don't work, your visitors will never come back, which means no repeat buyers and ultimately no money. What if I tell you there's a smart, lazy, and automated way to create these coupon sites that runs 24/7, 365 days a year without doing any of the hard work yourself? A system that will create your site in 3 clicks, add fresh coupons, deals, and offers automatically, and drive free traffic to your site on autopilot. A system that requires zero maintenance from you. A system that's 100% reliable. A system that is proven to work. And today I'm going to show you exactly how this system works so that you can start creating your own automated coupon sites, help people, get thousands of free repeat buyers, and make a lot of money in the process. Hi, my name is Yogesh Argawal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I'm grateful to be able to help over 100,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $2.5 million in sales in just the last 3 years. About 6 months back, I was meeting my old college friend Dave over a cup of coffee. He worked in an IT firm, nice salary, and 2 lovely kids. But he was deeply worried about his job as the company was struggling to survive in the recession. That's why he started a new side hustle that was making him $1,500 a month. He explained that he had started a coupon site where he manually added the latest coupons, deals, and offers from different brands and retailers. He was hardly getting any traffic, but the little traffic he was getting was converting into sales and, most importantly, repeat buyers. But the problem with Dave was he was spending hours every day manually finding and adding coupons, deals, and offers. He was barely getting any traffic. He couldn't scale or grow his business because he didn't have the time. He had no life outside of his job and business. He was a one-man show and was quickly running out of steam. I told Dave that he needed to build a system. And this is when I realized that there was a big opportunity here. So I offered to help him, and we got to work right away. With my knowledge of computers and marketing and Dave's knowledge of the coupon industry, we were able to create a system that could do all of this and more. Within the next 3 months, we had a beta version of the system ready. Dave put it to the test, and within days, he was making more money than ever before. We were blown away with the results. In fact, he was making so much money that he quit his job and now runs his coupon business full-time. And the best part is that he only spends a few hours a week on it, if that. The system does all the hard work for him while he enjoys his life and spends time with his family. He no more worries about manually adding coupons or getting traffic. It's all on autopilot. The system takes care of everything for him, while he banks fat commission checks day after day, week after week, month after month. And today, we want to offer this same system to you. Introducing DFY Coupon Stores, the first and only 3-click app that creates 100% done for you automated coupon sites that get thousands of repeat buyers without traffic, SEO, or paid ads. With DFY Coupon Stores, you can create your own automated coupon site in 3 simple steps in less than 60 seconds without having to write a single line of code or do any manual work. Step 1. Just enter your niche keywords and add your affiliate IDs. Step 2. Our AI system creates a professional-looking, self-updating coupon site for you. Step 3. Activate your site. Sit back and watch the buyers roll in. And it will also drive free targeted traffic to your site on autopilot with our social sharing features. It really is as simple as that. Plus, with our Traffic Accelerator training, you'll be able to make your coupon sites go viral, generate traffic on demand, and get thousands of repeat buyers without spending a dime on ads. This is the exact same system that Dave used to go from $0 to $1,500 a month in just 30 days with his first site. And now he's making over $10,000 a month with his coupon business while working only a few hours per week. So, what's the price? Imagine struggling to make money online for months or even years, or paying a programmer $5,000 plus to build you a coupon site, or wasting hours of your time manually updating your site with the latest coupons and deals. Most importantly, imagine never achieving the financial freedom and lifestyle you've always wanted. Now imagine having your very own automated coupon site that runs on autopilot, generates thousands of repeat buyers and commission for you 24/7 for a low one-time payment. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You'll lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, within 30 days of buying DFY Coupon Stores, we'll refund 100% of your money, no questions asked, and you can still keep our product and enjoy all the benefits. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. DFY Coupon Stores is one of the fastest, easiest, and most profitable way to make money online right now. Don't regret getting the hyperlist at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.